In recent years, the effects of global climate change have become impossible to ignore. Rainfall patterns are shifting. Floods are becoming more frequent, more severe, and more unpredictable. But when the water rises, you need more than hope, you need a solution. Introducing the Waveplus L-shaped flood barrier, a smart, modular, and self-supporting system designed for real-world flood protection. No power, no tools, no delay. Just a barrier that's ready when you are. Built with durable materials, UV protection, and reflective safety markers, it performs even in the harshest conditions. From homes to high-traffic zones, the L-shaped barrier adapts to any terrain, corner or curve, with a design that's both foldable and rollable for fast storage and redeployment. Floods may be inevitable. Damage doesn't have to be. Waveplus L-shaped flood barrier, engineered to stop floods before they start.